everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we have beef braised in red wine. To begin with, we are finely chopping 1 onion, 1 carrot and 1 celery stick. We are then braising off 1 kilo of stewing beef that's been cut into bite-sized pieces with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once you're happy that's browned all over, we will be taking that out the pan and putting in all of the veg that we pre-chopped earlier. You're then going to want to cook those off for 3 to 5 minutes until your vegetables are soft. Once you're happy, we're adding our red wine. It's 500 ml of a dry red wine. Stir that into the casserole juices and bring to the boil. We are then adding 2 tablespoons of tomato puree and giving that a good stir, moving everything over to our slow cooker including the meat, and adding about 300 ml of stock just to cover our meat, and then adding 2 to 3 sprigs of thyme and giving it a good season. Cover with the lid, and then we're going to be slow cooking that for 6 to 8 hours. I serve mine over some couscous, but obviously you can do this with rice or bread. Let me know how you get on. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.